Hello, everyone. My name is Jarrett Wooler. I teach agriculture and industrial arts at Sterling High School in Sterling, Kansas. I would say my tech strengths are, Google Classroom, a few things like that. I would say I have probably a lot more weaknesses than strengths, although I'm willing to try just about anything that will help students. Um, let's see. I guess the rest of it would be, I'm married with two kids. Be a fifth grader and a sixth grader, so we're plenty busy this time of year with chasing kids around with ball games and everything else. But I am looking forward to figuring out what we can do, and how technology can be best be used in the classroom. So, looking forward to it. See you guys.